Hey my fluffy buns, so today we're going to test out my new switches. This is the strawberry milk ice switches. Contains 100% dock. I'm not going to loop these. I'm just going to test it out for at least a week. Unless I don't like it, I have to return it, so I can't mod or anything, loop them and such. It's contain at least 70 switches. I think this has more. I'm not so sure. Count these are 70, but I haven't counted this one. But I love the packaging though. I heard the reviews from the website called Dangkeebs. That's the switches I got. Here's the stickers. I like the stickers. It's really super cute. Everything has the strawberry ice switches right there. I heard the reviews said the packaging didn't come with this bottle or anything, but it did. So I think these are at least 140 switches or 150. I'm not so sure. I need at least 98 switches for my keyboard since it only has 98 keys and 98 switches and everything. We are gonna do a little sound test for this without the loop, so this might be stock sound test, not loop. I'll do one for the loop later on, but I'm gonna test to see if I like it or not. If I don't, then I have to return these, so I can't do anything looping these, because if I loop them then they won't accept the return or anything. I love the packaging though. It's very cute. It reminds me of that one Japanese strawberry probiotic yogurt drink. That reminds me, but it's super cute. I love it. And yeah, let's gonna get the strawberry and milk tactile switches, not the ice one but the milk ones, but they were sold out, so I decided to get this one. But I heard in the reviews it says it's a lot louder than the other one. I'm not so sure. Let's just install these. I'm just gonna take these keycaps and switches and exchange the new switches in here. For the rest, I'm just gonna change the keycaps. So here is the final keyboard look. I only changed the switches for only this area only. I only changed the keycaps from these areas that has been changed because I have not looped them. Not sure I might film me looping, probably not, because it does take a lot of time though. I am gonna do a sound test for this. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time, my fluffy buns.